Introducing the stunning 2018 Volkswagen Passat Highline 1.6tdi M6F 120HP 5-door in sleek grey. This spacious estate model is equipped with top-of-the-line features including air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, satellite navigation, and so much more. With advanced safety features like ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking, you can have peace of mind on the road. The luxurious interior features include a boot light and luxury trim for added comfort. Plus, the stylish chrome package and privacy glass make this vehicle stand out from the rest. Get behind the wheel of this beautiful Passat that has been fully inspected, serviced, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't wait, call us now or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information on this amazing vehicle.